Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your handle on the YouTube app. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up YouTube, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Then once you're on here, near the top it should say View Channel, so select that. And then you should see a little pencil symbol near the middle on the right hand side. So just tap on that. And then you should see handle, second one down. And all you have to do is again press on the pencil symbol. And this will give you the option to change the name. So obviously it'll just let you know, visible to all users on YouTube. Remember to follow our community guidelines and best practices. You can change your handle back within 14 days. This becomes your channel URL. Handles can be changed twice every 14 days. The only thing with this is, obviously, when you go to change your name, you'll have to make sure it's available. So it'll have to be unique on YouTube. So you may have to try a few different names in order to get what you want. And once you're happy with that, just select Save and your handle will be changed. Thanks for watching.